hope you are safe and well. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a box I think we could all use. It's called Good Vibes Scribe. We need some good vibes. All of us around the world do. So this is what the box looks like. Even the box sends out good vibes. It says Good Vibes Scribe, sending you good vibes only. So Good Vibes Scribe is a lifestyle subscription. I will leave their link down below along with a promo code. I believe I have a promo code that will get you one extra item in your box if you subscribe. So everything in this box is from like small locally owned businesses and is supposed to make us feel the positive vibes. So let's get started and see what's inside because I could definitely use some. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. There is a little pamphlet thing right on top. It says April 2020 Featured Products Overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you've just received. And inside they give you a bunch of information. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. First thing on top, what is this? This is by Arrow It Forward Reusable Car Air Freshener, because we all have the smell of fries to cover up. Choose our room and linen spray scents to scent and refresh as often as you'd like. And so I guess I received it in Morning Person, a cheerful blend of fresh picked berries and annoying everyone else. Notes of blueberries and cream. So this is what it looks like. I could totally use this. Let's get it out and smell it. So it's like a reusable bag too, so I can keep it fresh in here until I go into my car next, which I don't know when I will be driving. Maybe today. Today's the last day before stay-home order. Put it in Florida. Oh, cute. There's a little arrow on the bottom. You guys see that? So you guys hang this on your little mirror. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, I'm definitely going to put this in my car even if I can't drive for a while. I mean, I guess I could drive to the grocery store. I'm definitely going to need to restock. So let's learn a little bit about this. It says Arrow It Forward Reusable Car Air Freshener. So you could have gotten it in Hot Mess, Morning Person, and Adulting is Hard. And of course I got it in Morning is Hard. And it is, what is the meaning behind the name? It's a nod to both pay it forward concept and a well-known quote that an arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great, so just focus and keep aiming. My journey began with blogging, which led me to feature women entrepreneurs who had boldly followed their dreams. I felt like it was finally on the right path, or I was finally on the right path, that I was following my arrow, and I wanted to inspire others to do the same. My business morphed into making products that mean something to me. I have so much fun coming up with names and descriptions and seeing people get a chuckle out of my sarcastic sense of humor. Enjoy this reusable car air freshener in one of Arrow It Forward scents. Just spray with your favorite linen spray or essential oils to keep the fresh vibes going. And it says here, note, this item will be one of the customizable choices. So you can pay $5 more and be a premium member and get to customize your box. Or if you pay for a 6 or 12-month subscription at one time, you get to customize your box as well. Next up, it looks like we might have a reusable bag here by Miori. Miori Flat Bar, so a Miori reusable pocket shopper. So here it is what they look like. I love that it comes in this little bag. You can take it out and it will be the large shopping bag. I have several of these. They definitely come in handy. So you could have gotten this in Candy Mint or Midnight Blue, and we got it in Candy Mint, which I think is super cute. And it says the name Miori marries two Japanese words, Mian for great idea and origami. Roughly translated, Miori means the fantastic idea of folding. Brothers Mark and Dirk Meyer, inspired by their love of the outdoors and active lifestyle, developed Miori to be infinitely versatile for a variety of uses and earth-friendly at the same time. Active in the field of product development for over 20 years through Miori's parent company, Hermie GmbH, they applied their German design aesthetic and ingenuity to create am I saying that right? Ingenuity. Okay. Wow, I'm a little slow. To create a product that goes anywhere and holds anything. Hallmarks of the Miori brand are durability, high-quality materials, innovation, and style. The Miori Pocket Shopper is bigger and stronger than most other pocket shoppers on the market. It holds up to 30 pounds and up to 3 bags of groceries. The bag has 2 sturdy shoulder straps for easy carrying and folds up easily and conventionally in the cute little pocket. Use it again and again and help save the planet by replacing paper and plastic bags. It's machine washable. And this again is one of the items you could have customized. So let's get it out. So here is the big bag. Wow, this really is huge. Oh, this takes up like the whole screen. Awesome, you really can fit a lot of stuff in here, and I love the color. It looks like it is easy to fold back up as well. Sometimes that's my problem with these bags. I like try and fold it up and it doesn't fit back in this cute one, so let's see if I could do it. Might not look as perfect, but it fit right back in there fine. So awesome, I can't wait to use it. Next up, what is this? It's by Be Glowy Hyaluronic Acid and CBD Infused Serum. Nice. Switch to Pure 2 milliliters. So our Pure Promise, I think there might be a few things in here. Let me get this open. There's something else in the box by them as well. So I think we have several things in this bag. So here we have Bright and Shine Daily Cleanser with CBD. Shiny. Oh wow. And then we have their Be Chill CBD Body Scrub. It says this hypoallergenic and invigorating body rub is made with full spectrum CBD and natural ingredients. Be Chill is a perfect blend of organic ingredients to aid those tired and weary body parts. Use as often as needed externally. Hello and be chill. And then the first one, which is a daily cleanser, it just says it's a refreshing CBD cleanser for all skin types and made with hydrating and anti-aging ingredients like turmeric and CBD. And it suggests using it with a cognac sponge. And then we have two more things, actually three more things from them. So we've got a bunch to sample. So we have the Wellin Glow Rejuvenating CBD Oil. And it says Wellin Glow, an anti-aging and rejuvenation oil, is loaded with 150 milligrams of full spectrum CBD, turmeric, squalene, and avocado oil. Its powerful antioxidants and natural vitamin A help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, plus it leaves you glowy. I love face oils. I use them every day. And then the last thing that was in the pack is the Be Glowy Hyaluronic CBD Infused Serum, which I said first. At first I thought it was just this. So it comes in a pack similar to the oil. It says Be Glowy Spray works best when used immediately after cleansing to plump, calm, and leave the skin with a glow. This refreshing and naturally shimmering spray serum is loaded with hyaluronic acid, cucumber and organic extract, and CBD. Use day, night, or even as a makeup setting spray. Hello Glow. This natural product separates. Please gently shake before each use. And by the way, it always lists the ingredients for all the items as well. And then there's one more thing in here by Be Pure. Oh, and it's a cognac sponge that they were talking about using the cleanser with. So, cool, it's pink. I have one that's like a charcoal one. But on the back, I'm gonna read it to you. It says, Hello Glow Cognac Sponge, or cognac. Natural, sustainable, plant-based, and biodegradable. It's non-toxic, cruelty-free, gentle, and effective. And how to use: you soak or run under warm water to activate the sponge. Apply cleanser, scrub, or cleansing oil to sponge. Massage in a circular motion, out and up. Rinse under warm water, squeeze, and hang to dry. Important, hang to dry. Replace every 2 to 3 months. To disinfect the sponge, place in boiled or very hot water for 2+ minutes. And then there's like some information. Estella Cockrell is the founder, and it has all her information here. And then this talks more about all the items in their line. And it looks like we get to sample every item in their line almost. It looks like they might have like a facial roller as well. But it's a Luxe Performance-based CBD skincare line loaded with active, pure, natural, non-toxic ingredients. Join our Be Chill, CBD body rub, glow bar, detox bar, nourish bar, crystal rollers, and gua shas. I am really excited to try all of these out. That was super great to get so many things from one line so we can really like see what works for us and doesn't. So that is awesome. Then what do we have here? Is this gonna be some straws? Yeah, bamboo straws by Coconut Bowls. So it's in a bag here. I have a lot of reusable straws now, but I'm not complaining because I love to use them with my cocktails and even my water. So it looks like we have one like bamboo cleanser and then 4 bamboo straws. I don't have any bamboo straws. Like I said, I have a lot of reusable ones, but not bamboo, so this is awesome. And this is a set of 4, obviously. Coconut Bowls, bamboo straw, set of 4. Coconut Bowls is more than a brand, it's a movement for global sustainability. All of their products are 100% natural and biodegradable, meaning they don't disrupt the ecosystem in any way. Founder Jake McKeon has always envisioned their products as a symbol of environmentally conscious living, and they have been fortunate enough to spread this message throughout Australia bowl by bowl. But their mission doesn't end there. As they grow and expand, Coconut Bowls continues to create ethical jobs, improve economic sustainability, build invaluable relationships with local communities throughout Vietnam. The profoundly talented artisans focus on crafting a variety of products, including wooden cutlery with discarded furniture offcuts and bamboo straws from fast-growing and plentiful bamboo, and are paid over double the fair trade standard. Handmade with 100% natural bamboo stalks, bamboo straws are a great alternative to plastic straws and help reduce waste. These eco-friendly bamboo straws are perfect for drinking your daily smoothie. Awesome, I will definitely use these. And I think we have just one more item here. Oh, I'm gonna try and keep this one alive. We have an air plant. I had one and Archer killed it. And I am gonna try and keep this baby alive. Look how pretty, it's got some pink on it. And it's Air Plant Design Studio sea urchin with air plants. So there's a sea urchin in this little bag, I'm guessing. I'm guessing similar in a different box in the past. But yeah, my cat killed it. He's really sweet, but he kills plants and sometimes lizards, but I usually save the lizards' lives. So here is the sea urchin. So you just kind of put it in here. And isn't that so cute? So let's learn a little bit about this. It says, our obsession with love of air plants started on a trip to St. Augustine, Florida. When we were wedding venue hunting, we stumbled upon air plants in a shop and were immediately taken aback by their unique beauty and the endless decorating possibilities that came along with them. We decided to create a business that would allow our customers easy access to these exotic yet hardy plants, and one that reflected our own personal style and design. Our mission is to bring the natural beauty of air plants into more homes across America. We strive to bring you the highest quality air plants, Tillandsias is their name, that I probably butchered, at a competitive price, and stand behind our products 100%. As a husband and wife team, we enjoy decorating our own home with air plants and hope you will enjoy them as much as we do. Ryan and Muriel. And then it gives air plant care instructions. It says bright to moderate indirect light, water 2 to 3 times a week depending on environment and species, and needs good air circulation at a temperature between 50 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it's so cute. I love it. And that was everything that came in our box, you guys. I think this was a great month. This was one of my favorite. I can't wait to try all of the skincare items from that one brand. Was it Switch to Pure? They are all made with CBD and like all good for you ingredients. I can't wait to try all that stuff out. The reusable bag, that is great. The sea urchin and the little air plant, so cute. I'm gonna try really hard not to let Archer get him. Definitely could use this reusable car air freshener, so that was great to get. Bamboo straws, can't wait to use. All of this stuff is so great. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I'm gonna link Good Vibes Scribe. And thanks Good Vibes Scribe for sending me some good vibes. We all need them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are well. I love you so much. I'm always here if you want to chat. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.